In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Figma. If you've ever wanted your paragraphs to have clean, straight edges on both the left and right sides, justification is the setting you are looking for. It spaces words so your text neatly fills the entire line, which can make longer blocks feel more polished and editorial. Start by opening your design in Figma. Once your file is open on the canvas, click on your text layer. Make sure you've actually selected the text layer itself when it's active. You'll see its bounding box and the text properties will appear in the right-hand sidebar. If the text layer isn't selected, the alignment controls won't be available. Now, look over to the right side of the screen for the design panel. This is where Figma shows the properties for whatever you have selected. In the design panel, locate the typography section. This section controls how your text looks and behaves, including font, size, line height, and alignment. From here, go to Type Settings. When you open Type Settings, a window appears with more detailed controls. Under the Basics area, look for Alignment. This is where Figma groups the text alignment options together, so you can quickly switch how your paragraph is arranged. You'll see the familiar options: Align Left, Align Center, and Align Right. Keep going until you find Text Align Justified. The Justify icon looks like a stack of horizontal lines that stretch all the way across, signaling that the text fills the full width on each line. Click that Justify icon. As soon as you select it, you'll see the preview update right on your canvas. Your paragraph now distributes space between words so both edges line up evenly. This is especially useful for multi-line paragraphs and body copy, and it can give your layouts a more structured, magazine-style feel. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.